Good morning everyone, and welcome back to Jeli's journey. Well, today we are on the outskirts of Paralimni, or we're somewhere in Paralimni. We followed Google Maps because we were given a brilliant piece of advice to come here for our paint. So direct from the UK, paints and tools, really helpful. We've been looking for some black stain for the fence, and this is where we ended up. So if anyone is moving over and looking for paint, we do fully recommend coming here. We're going to get some mixed for about €40. Not the cheapest, but let's have a look around. We've got the ticky beds, and we've got the brushes and the paints. Got your masking tape, your cleaners, your spray paints. Got your chalk paint if that's it. And now we've been advised this for some wood stain, but we are going to get some mixed up and give it a go. You've got your Dulux. They've got absolutely everything here that you could possibly need. You've got your varnish, clear coats, spades, broom shanks. You've got your synthetic glazes for the wood. Dulux weather shield, if Dulux is your thing, although we did find a lovely white paint. Not cheap though, but fabulous quality. So, if you are moving over to the Paralimni area and you're a bit stuck on where to find your paints and your decorating brushes and your varnishes, honestly, give this area a quick look in. Really helpful. But yes, just a little short here to show you what they've got. Your primers. Floor cleaner. Honestly, try it, but don't inhale this thing. It is good stuff, but by God, it's strong. And you've got all your colours.
No problem. It's your father, is it?
Yeah. No. That was there.
And you've got your border bricks. We're just finding out how much they are. Now what we are looking for is to build on our border in the back of the garden. But honestly, paints, varnish, wood stains, direct from the UK, roof films, floor paints. These seem to have a bit of everything. And what a gorgeous little place. It is tucked away. So if you need directions, just give us a shout. We'll send the link to you all. But until next time, take care now. Bye.